Our first demand, right? Release Chinmay Prabhu. Am I right? Our first demand, release Chinmay Prabhu right now. And listen carefully, second demand is also important. Creation of a protected international safe zone in Bangladesh to prevent genocide against Hindus, Christians and Buddhists. Am I right? We need a international safe zone, protected international safe zone inside Bangladesh.
Right now!
Am I right?
Yes!
We cannot live together anymore. Every single day they are burning our houses, temples, raping our mothers. They are distracting our young children too. So, we demand again creation of a protected international safe zone in Bangladesh. No period. This is our demand. Third demand, a strong US-India diplomatic pressure to this guy, Yunus. I cannot say what is the power, I don't know. He don't have any experience to lead the country, but he is now leading the country. This is completely stupidity, right? So, again, a strong US and Indian diplomatic pressure to Bangladesh government to halt ongoing atrocities and ensure minority rights. Am I right? Yes. Fourth one, for recognition of the 1971 Bangladesh genocide. Nobody recognized it worldwide. It should be recognized. In summary, দেখেন পাগলের টাইয়া সামনে দাঁড়াইছে এই পাগলের অভাব নেই বাংলার পৃথিবীতে জয় শ্রীরাম
Jai Shri Ram!
জয় শ্রীরাম
Jai Shri Ram!
জয় শ্রীরাম
Jai Shri Ram!
We want justice.
Justice! Justice!
We want justice.
Bangladesh! Bangladesh!
Bangladesh, Bangladesh.
We want justice!
Bangladesh, Bangladesh.
We want justice!
Stop killing Hindus.
Bangladesh! Bangladesh!
Stop raping Hindus.
Bangladesh! Bangladesh!
Stop burning temple.
Bangladesh! Bangladesh!
Bangladesh, Bangladesh. Bangladesh, Bangladesh. Stop raping Hindus. Stop killing Hindus. Stop burning temple. We want justice. We want justice. Bangladesh, Bangladesh. We want. 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 Chinmay Prabhu, Chinmay Prabhu. Release now, release now. Release now, release now. Chinmay Prabhu, Chinmay Prabhu. Release now, release now. Chinmay Prabhu, Chinmay Prabhu. Release now, release now. Chinmay Prabhu, Chinmay Prabhu. We want. We want. We want. We want.
Justice!
We want. We want. We want. We want. Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram! What do you want? You want? I want? You want? Justice! 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 আমরা এখানে এসেছি চিন্ময় প্রভুর মুক্তির দাবিতে আমরা চিন্ময় প্রভুর মুক্তি চাই মুক্তি চাই মুক্তি চাই মুক্তি চাই, মুক্তি চাই।
Okay, right now, my friends, colleagues, again, please. You know, I am not good at all. I am sick, but I come. I work in YPD. Today I take the off day. You know, so our department says minimum 5 to 10 days ago you submit your 28. But I submit yesterday. And I am 15 years in the job, so that's why they give that permission. Okay, you go. So, my backbone is pain. Just like me and my wife. So, this is our time. We are destroy everything in Bangladesh. So please, everybody raise your voice. Right now, our top of Dashda, give the speech please. Thank you.
দাদা
সম্মানিত সুধী, আমরা আজকে আমেরিকার হোয়াইট হাউসের সামনে সমবেত হয়েছি বাংলাদেশের হিন্দুদের পক্ষ থেকে। We came here to protest rally against vandalism, destruction and communalism in Bangladesh. We know after 25th August in Bangladesh changed their regime. We saw many times, we seen the regime change in Bangladesh, always minority depressed by the majority. Vandalism, destruction and communism